I will be making a seafood boil, okay? So stay tuned. So over here I have my eggs, which I'm gonna be boiling at least 4 eggs. I'm gonna be boiling at least 5 eggs because I think I'm gonna have one I haven't eaten from morning, so I am gonna be boiling 5 eggs right here. I'm gonna be boiling 5 eggs. It's a little too much water in the pot, so I'm gonna be boiling 5 eggs. Yes. Let me put this back. We're boiling 5 eggs. So over here I have my crab legs. Over here I have my crab legs. Bring this back here. So over here I have my crab legs, so I'm gonna be boiling some of my crab legs. I'm not gonna be boiling all, so I'm gonna be doing, oh my god, these are some different crab legs, guys. Ooh. I think I bought the wrong one, but anyways, so I'm gonna be boiling these. How much there? Alright, it's not a lot, so just gonna be breaking them a little bit so that they can hold in the pot. So that's exactly what I am gonna be doing. Let me force this one in the pot. I think it's a little bit too stiff, so let me kind of break this off. Boiling that, okay? So while that is boiling, I am going to be making some. I'm going to be making some of these right here. So I could have my lunch for the week. Yes, that's what I'm going to be doing. So yes. Here I have my salmon, which I'm going to be also making. I want to make sure I have enough food for the week, so yes. So I'm just going to be putting some complete seasoning inside of my crab legs right here. I'm also going to be making my sauce, so I'm also going to be putting a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to be putting scotch bonnet pepper, but not in the pot because I'm going to put it in the sauce. Just in case if my daughter, she don't want to, she don't like to eat pepper. I have a daughter, so yes. So now I'm going to be putting a little bit, let me turn the stove down a little bit. So I'm going to be putting some, crab boil inside of it. Whoops. All right. So I am going to come back and I'm going to show you what I am doing, so stay tuned. So guys, so over here I have all my seasoning, which I have gone ahead and I cut all my seasoning. Let me bring it up close to the camera. So now I'm gonna make my sauce for my seafood. And over here I had a couple that I boiled without any pepper or anything because one of my daughters, she don't really eat spice like that, so it affects her. And over here I have my crab legs, which I've already boiled. My potato is in there, and also I have my eggs. Also over here I have my crawfish and my shrimp inside this pot, and this is the Old Bay. This is the first time I'm using Old Bay, and the Old Bay really boils over the pot. A little messy. So over here I have my organic oil, olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw some in the pot right here. I'm gonna be making my let's see which one. I'm gonna be making my spice for my so over here I also have my Brussels sprouts, and all my vegetables are inside of here. Asparagus, so I'm gonna be also cooking them. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some of these in the pot right here. I'm gonna be putting some over on this side. And I also have scallion, garlic, and all these good stuff. Now, I'm going to stir fry. I don't know if you guys can see me. Sorry, guys. So, yes, I'm over here. Stir frying. Camera is a little bit too far from what I'm doing, so let me bring it up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, yes, so stir frying it right here. Over here I'm going to be adding my I'm also going to be adding this inside my it is the spiciest one, and I'm using the Walker Road Serious Hot Jamaican sauce. Let me turn the stove down a little bit. Wow, this thing make me cough, guys. Woo! So now I'm going to be using a spoon. I'm going to be using a spoon to get some of the sauce. This is too large. I'm going to be using a smaller spoon. Smaller spoon to get the sauce out of it. And over here I have some broth which I'm going to be throwing inside the pot. I'm going to be making a lot of gravy. Guys, this is so strong, it makes me cough. Ooh. So over here, I'm going to be adding in my Brussels sprouts and all my vegetables. The pot is cold, but don't mind that because it's going to steam down a little bit. So let me steaming down in a little bit, so yes. So this is not the cover for that, I'm sorry. This is the cover for this one. So yes, I cover it. Now I have this cover right here. Trying to keep this stuff in place, you know. Trying to put a little more inside of this, a little more seasoning here. So I'm gonna put this pot over here a little bit, that way a little bit. So just gonna wipe. I'm gonna stir the pot a little bit and see. I'm also gonna put some tomato sauce in it so it's getting nice and thick. nice and thick. And I'm also going to be adding some onion powder in it. I'm also going to be putting some more complete seasoning. And I'm also going to be putting some clove. Clove is very strong. So, and I'm going to be putting some garlic inside of it too. And I'm also going to be putting some ginger, okay? It's really boiling, guys. I'm telling you, it's boiling. Ooh. So I'm going to have to clean up. I'm going to switch it to the side of the stove. I'm going to switch it to this side of the stove, guys. I have my reason. The stove, even though I turn it down, it's still up. It needs to be fixed. So I don't want it to mess up my pot. So yeah. So you see the vegetable is going down. I'm going to put a little garlic powder inside here. And I'm going to put a little, I'm going to be putting a little onion powder. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of ginger. The ginger is very good. So yes, this is some ginger inside of it. I'm also going to be adding just a little tip of water. A little tip of water. And then I'm going to, you don't want your vegetable to overcook. So I'm just going to turn down the stove a little bit so it just stay there and cook. Okay? So guys, I'm going to come back and show you the finished meal.